Stay hydrated in style with Owala. Tired of lukewarm water ruining your gym session or travel plans? Check out this bottle. The Owala FreeSip is an insulated stainless steel water bottle designed for sports, travel, and school. It's BPA-free and holds 24 ounces of your favorite beverage. It features a unique FreeSip spout, allowing you to sip upright through the built-in straw or tilt back and swig. The push-button lid keeps the spout clean and prevents leaks. This bottle keeps drinks cold for up to 24 hours, perfect for long days at school, intense workouts, or exploring new cities. The wide opening makes cleaning and adding ice a breeze. It's also cup holder friendly, making it ideal for road trips or commutes. The carry loop doubles as a lock, preventing accidental spills in your bag. With over 67,000 reviews and a 4.7-star rating, users rave about its insulation and leak-proof design. Many appreciate the dual drinking options and stylish colors. Some users noted that the 40-ounce size might not fit in all cup holders. However, the 24-ounce version is a great option for everyday use. Head over to the Amazon product page for the Owala FreeSip Amazon product page to check it out. Read more reviews, compare colors, and order yours today. Stay hydrated and stylish wherever you go.